Hello everybody, we're back with Revit training, and today we're going to look at creating a detail group. Now I'm using this from Elise Moss's architecture certification exam training book. Now here, if you have Revit anything above, I would say 23, it's a little works a little differently. So I'm going to show you this. I had a lot of questions and I didn't know for myself for a minute. So what you need to do here, you need to load in your items. Okay, so basically what happened to me, I went here, you go into your annotate tab, and you'll select detail component. Now here, I need to load some metal fastenings or bolts in here, and we're going to create a detail component. So what has to happen here, if you go load family, you'll see this, and doesn't quite work that way now. You got to load them in beforehand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel out this, and I'm going to go into my insert tab, and I'm going to go load from the cloud here. Okay, now I'm in the cloud. I'm in my detail items already, but if you could, as you can see, I'm going to browse back here a little bit. You want to go down to you want to go into metal fastenings. Where are they? No, detail items. I'm sorry. And then here you got your metal I guess, let me see. Is it in here? No, we got to go down a little farther. We got to go to metals. Where are the metals at? Oh, the division 05 here. So 4, there's 05, and then in 05, you can shorten that up. And now here, we're doing a common work, right there, common work results for metals. And then here, we're looking for a steel shear plate. So we need to load that into our project, and whatever else we need for this particular, or whatever detail component you want, you got to load it in this way first. So now it's in my project. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back into my annotate tab and my components, detail component, and there. Wait a second. Here, is it in here? Should be. Okay, I didn't get it in here. I don't think. So wait a second. I'm gonna go back in my annotate tab, detail component. There it is. Okay. So I'm gonna bring that in here, and then I'm gonna take the space bar and just select it, and I'm gonna place it like right in the center here. If I can find a center point, yeah, there it is. I'm gonna place that plate right there. Okay, I'm gonna cancel out that, and then we want to go, and then we're gonna go into our repeating detail, and I hope these are in here. So go to our repeating component. Yeah, they're already loaded in. So we're going to use the A325 5/8" plan view of this bolt. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to just bring this and drop it right there. And I'll pull it down. Let's say just bring it to there. And I want to select it here. And I'm going to my edit type here. Now at this point, it says fix. It's going to be, you got an option here to go fill space, fixed number, or fixed distance. For this, we're going to go with a fixed number. We're going to say OK. All right, and then here, as you can see in our properties tab, it's got 5 here, or you can get any number. So say if we say 7, we just 4, that's what's going to happen. It's going to space out equally, but in this case, we want to say 5. So I'm going to select here the little put down arrow, and I'm going to say 5 right there. It's just 5. And okay, so they're all placed, good to go. Okay, so now at this point, we want to create a detailed group now. So to do a group, you just select everything here. Yeah, this is from, okay, and I got my group here, and then I want to go here where it says create group. I'll select create group, and then you want to name this group, and this group is going to be named plate and boat, as they say in the decks, plate and boat. I'm going to say okay, and there. So we've got all this is grouped together. So once that's done, we can simply grab everything here. It's got to be on both sides, and I want to mirror this from center point there. Okay, now we want to go in here to our groups and just expand this. Now the author was nice enough to create a group for us, so we can just drag and drop that one into our model, into our view, and place it right there. I think that's a good spot for it, or just based on the center line. And there you have it. Nope, that's not quite right. Yeah, I think that's going to be good. We can shift this up and move it up a little bit. But that's how you would load in our detail groups from using detail groups that we created here. What we did here, we did a few things here. We showed you how to load in the family and the detail items using the later versions of Revit, and we might want to add some other things here, maybe some hidden lines. Maybe I would say probably go through here. You might do a hidden line, and that's very simple. Just go to annotate tab, detail lines, and then we're going to slide down here to hidden lines. And we might drop a hidden line right through there. And we can mirror that guy as well. We might take that one, or I could just simply add one here. Well, but hey guys, just wanted to show you this because I got confused on it myself. I didn't know how to do this back then. I was figuring out how do you load families. So right now you can't from the annotate tab when you go into detail items here. Detail component. Normally you can load a family, but you want to go into you need to go out on the cloud unless you have a set place where your families are located in your project. So I'm going to go back here and finish this off. Detail line. I'm going to place a line right through here, hidden line. And there you go. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and everybody, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, this is a quick question of how you would use detail components here in later versions of Revit. I don't know how they do it in the later versions. I'm using 23. So anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please support the channel. Thank you, and everybody be safe. Bye.